I'm Larenzo Goodman. I run our channel alliances, specifically marketplaces. Initially, we were, looking for different channels and exploring different partnerships to solve some of our key hurdles like procurement. And so, as we started to address different things like look at resellers, marketplaces came about, and it seemed like that was a good opportunity for us to help our buyers easily procure CircleCI. So we started looking at how to best do it. We were really under a tight gun. We wanted to showcase at reInvent a few years ago, and we wanted a call of action and a place to be able to push our customers that was in association with AWS. And so we started to look at like how we list our products in the marketplace. And I think that engineering looked at it and they said we can definitely do this. It's going to take us 6 to 7 to 8 months. We're going to put it in the roadmap, and we were looking to move obviously faster than that. And so we started to explore vendors, and Tackle came up, and we met with you guys, and all of a sudden, it worked out, and it was seamless, and we were listed in 48 hours instead of the 6 months. So we continued to develop the relationship with them. I think a lot of times we look at it and we think that like, oh, it's just list our products and the customers will come and things will, fall into place. But listing your products in the marketplace is a whole new channel. And so you gotta be able to monitor the revenue through that channel, be able to track, when were you paid, if you were paid at all, as well as enable your sellers because, they're offering things like private offers and need to be able to speak to those things to their customers. So Tackle was really humongous in helping us with that heavy lifting of the enablement effort, as well as operationalizing the whole thing and being able to get the right documents and reporting to the right functions throughout the business. Naturally, everyone was apprehensive to really, throw their weight behind supporting the marketplaces. It was unproven. It wasn't something that we had done in the past or anything similar in the past. So it was totally new to the business. Really starting with the revenue teams because, they were going to be actually the ones having the customer conversations, and, customers were already kind of requesting, to align with the marketplaces and their EDP and their strategies. So it wasn't a humongous lift. It was more of an education process for those guys, but getting the different functions like legal and finance and all of those different functions to start to embrace kind of the new way of doing things outside of their traditional process. I mentioned earlier that it only took them 48 hours, where we were estimating 6 months with our internal engineering team to even do it, and that was without a lot of the reporting and a lot of the functionality that Tackle offers us. But beyond that, Tackle, like every time we wanted to change a listing or update products and things like that, it's just really simple to jump into the UI, make those adjustments in real time, versus wait months and weeks to get on the roadmap of the engineering team. So in that aspect, they've really shortened up, our operational time as far as helping us, achieve kind of the success we're looking to achieve through Marketplace. Over the last year alone, I think they've been instrumental in helping us grow over 200% on our revenue and our dollars through Marketplace. Tackle's always my first call when it comes to making like small changes, like, well, we want some documentation to go out with this when we trigger this process. It's always easier to work directly with Tackle. I can think of a time just recently where we were trying to, really shift this from the channel leaders creating these offers and having like the hands in the process to the deal desk. And we needed to evangelize to them the importance and the nuances, and as well as get them the specific processes to be able to complete the task. And we weren't prepared to do that, but Tackle stepped right up and stepped in, and they worked with so many ISVs that they knew exactly the resources that we needed and the trainings that we needed to take place to get them ready to go. Well, we're always looking to to grow, and grow fast. But I think, we're starting to look at things like aligning with the consumption model of the cloud providers and our public offers and things like that. And so having Tackle along on that journey as we explore how to make changes to our product, to adjust it to fit the marketplace and the offerings, I think that's, the next evolution and what we're working with Tackle with now. All the new great features that Tackle's coming out with, I think we just are in the process of implementing them now. So really excited to see how that helps us accelerate our marketplace journey. Stuff like the Salesforce connector and the cool private offer features, I think is going to really help us in the reporting, which is kind of the next phase of this journey, really solidifying the operational side of this thing.